revolutionary Renegade VOLT battery-powered welder lets you weld off the grid, but its performance goes beyond the freedom of ordinary cordless tools. Let's explore its 3 operating modes: battery mode, single-phase primary mains mode, and amp plus hybrid mode. Battery mode. Renegade VOLT comes with 4 DEWALT FLEXVOLT 12 amp-hour batteries and a DEWALT 4-port fast charger. Load the batteries into the battery box and make sure they seat fully. Set Renegade VOLT on top of the battery box and latch the units together. Connect the cable from the battery box to the welding source. You can now turn on the welder. After a startup routine, the display will show battery status. Once the battery is depleted, you can easily swap in fresh batteries and continue to weld. That includes FlexVolt batteries from your other DEWALT power tools. In battery mode, Renegade VOLT provides a maximum of 140 amps for stick and 150 amps for TIG. Single-phase primary mains mode. To operate Renegade VOLT on AC power, simply plug it in and the machine will automatically sense the connection. Renegade VOLT provides a smooth, stable arc, even on generator power or with dirty wall power. On 230 volt primary, you can stick or TIG weld with up to 200 amps of power. On 115 primary and a 20 amp circuit, Renegade VOLT provides a maximum of 140 amps of stick welding power and 150 amps of TIG welding power. Amp plus hybrid mode. Nuisance trips on are a common occurrence when connected to a 115 volt household outlet. Renegade VOLT mitigates circuit breaker tripping in 2 ways. First, its settings menu lets you select breaker size. The unit will then limit its power draw. However, it will also limit welding output. By selecting the Amp Plus mode from the settings menu, Renegade VOLT will supplement wall power with battery power to mitigate tripping. Amp Plus Hybrid mode also delivers stronger welding performance, giving you more power for running larger electrodes or welding thicker sections.